Hello class and welcome to week number 5 of Counseling 570. Alright, let's talk about what we're going to do this week. When you get into the week 5 module, you're going to see that your readings listed in the Berman chapters are 3, 6, and 17. Additional video down here for you to review too. When we go down here, there is a discussion board this week. The initial posting talks about how the purpose is to work you to engage within the SAMHSA website. The location is here. After you look in the website, you're going to find at least 2 EBPs that are of interest to you and might apply to your coursework or your counseling work. Look for 1 preventative and 1 treatment program, and it notes there that you can see filters towards the bottom of the page on the website. After you've located both of those different types of programs, for your initial posting, due Thursday by midnight, you're to discuss briefly what you think the benefit of the website is and write about 2 of the EBPs that were of interest to you. And it has a notation there that you are able to use first person, and your citations and references can just be hyperlinks. For your peer response posting that is due Sunday by midnight, you are to read your peer's posting and then comment on at least 1 other peer posting answering the question of, was your experience similar or different from your peer, and how so? And again, that's due Sunday by midnight. We also have the peer reviews for the case conceptualization, and if you click on that page, you're going to see exactly what you're going to be assessing. Make sure that you're answering each of these different questions as you are reviewing your peer's case conceptualization. There's a rubric down here below that you're going to see reflects each of those different areas that you were supposed to remark about as well. So I will assign these as early as I'm able. If it's like the first peer review and everyone has them in on time, I will do that as early as I can on Monday, okay? So I will reach out and connect with you all when this is assigned, but I appreciate how diligent the whole class was last time in getting the previous assignment in on time so I could turn in these peer reviews. Remember, I won't grade your case conceptualization assignment until the peer reviews are complete. Otherwise, your peers will see the comments that I mark on the assignment. And then finally, there is your questions that you are to submit for the final exam. If you click on that, you're going to see the Google Doc is here. Make sure that you or a leader from your group submits all the different exam questions within this document. And also, as a general reminder, make sure that you are putting the answers in the discussion board, okay, when you're submitting your your test questions. I think everyone did, but it's just a general reminder. If you haven't gotten a grade and you've submitted them, that's why. And then down here below is just your response minder in order to have a due date in here, and Canvas is listed twice. You have your peer response for the discussion board. If we're looking ahead, you can see different parts. Part 4 is due next week for the presentation, and then we have additional work coming up with Part 5 in week 8 and continuing to work on other areas too. All right, connect with me as you need. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe and healthy and enjoying class. Thank you.